In this video, I will show you how to fix if your VPN is not connecting in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if your VPN is not working, it's not connecting for any reason, then I do have two fixes that you can try to hopefully resolve this problem. For the first fix, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type control panel, and then what you want to do is open up control panel underneath best match. Once the control panel has opened, come up to the top right hand corner where it says view by. You want to click onto this drop down box and select large icons. Then what you need to do is look for the network and sharing center, give that a click. And once you're in here, just simply click onto your internet connection. So it should show up here. Just give that a click, and that's going to open up a window like this. Next, what you want to do is come down to the bottom and you're going to see a properties button. Give that a click, and that's going to open up the Wi-Fi properties window. Now on this window, what you want to do is scroll down into see Internet Protocol version 6. So this one here, untick the box, and once you've done that, click OK. Close everything down and see if you can now connect with your VPN. Now, if that didn't work for you, the next thing you can do is from your desktop, again, what you want to do is come down to the search box in your taskbar at the bottom. This time you want to type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Once your settings window has opened, come over to the left hand side. In this menu, you want to click onto network and internet. And then what you want to do is look for VPN. You can see it's here. Give that a click. On this next screen, what you want to do is come down to the advanced settings and make sure the two boxes are ticked here to allow VPN over metered networks and to allow VPN whilst roaming. So make sure you've turned both of those switches on. You should also see your VPN connection at the top. But if you don't, you can click the blue add VPN button and manually add your VPN. Then what you want to do is again come to the menu on the left hand side, click onto network and internet, and what you want to do now is scroll down into see advanced network settings down at the bottom. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. From here in the more settings section, you want to click onto network reset. Then what you want to do is click the reset now button. At this point, a window is going to pop up saying, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Just go ahead, click yes onto this. And once you've done that, what you can do is close this all down. And then what you want to do is restart your PC. Once you've restarted your PC, just simply reconnect to your Wi-Fi. And once you've reconnected, you should now be able to connect with your VPN. So that is how to fix if your VPN is not connecting in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.